Safety and security. They're very big deals when it comes to blockchain, when it comes to crypto. And unfortunately, right now, there are still a lot of people that are not taking the proper precautions to protect their assets. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. You can do what you want when it comes to this, but we've obviously seen the fallout of what can happen. We saw the FTX collapse. We've seen other exchanges collapse as well. We've seen large crypto entities fail. And unfortunately, those who were tied up in those entities have lost a lot of their holdings. Now, what this recent survey found was that 8 out of 10 investors are still holding their assets on hot wallets, those that are connected to the internet, those that are connected to centralized exchanges. In fact, they found out that 7 out of 10 respondents said they held their assets in centralized exchanges. Now, we're not here to tell you what to do. We're obviously here to, help you navigate the crypto space because sometimes it can be complicated. Now, obviously, there are some pluses to doing it this way, to keeping it on hot wallets. I keep some of my assets on hot wallets, not all of them, okay? Now, one of them is for convenience. It's very convenient if they're on an exchange or on a hot wallet, and you can easily make the trades without having to find your cold storage and connect to the chain that way, right? It's just a lot easier. The other issue that currently exists is fiat on-ramps and off-ramps. It is very cumbersome to try to off-ramp your money, to get it out of crypto when you want to spend it, when you want to, reap the rewards of your hard work, or when you want to actually get it onto the blockchain itself, right? It's very expensive if you do things through DeFi. It's kind of a pain, right? But the great thing is there are better processes that are being developed during this time. You're going to see some very drastic changes over probably the next 2, 3, 5 years or so. Now, obviously, there's regulation that's coming down on this as well. And obviously, a lot of these places that are doing this have to be regulatory compliant. But what people should really focus on is themselves. Now, this may sound weird to say, but really you should focus on yourself. Focus on keeping yourself safe. Nobody wants to hear the story of, oh yeah, I had my crypto on a hot wallet and somebody hacked it and I lost all my assets, right? You don't hear that happening on a hard wallet because it doesn't happen on a hard wallet. Now, as always, you can do what you want. Obviously, we're here just to help you, again, navigate the crypto space a little better. But I'm expecting that probably over the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to see a very big shift here. We're likely going to see a larger transition towards DeFi. It seems like that is something that is very interesting to people now because of all these collapses that we've had during this time. And really, that is what crypto was created for in the first place, to eliminate middlemen, to interact with the blockchain. And as more and more people become educated and learn about the space, like we try to teach people here on the ClearCryptos channel, that will become more and more evident, and these numbers will drastically change. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. Hopefully you guys definitely enjoyed the video. Hopefully you definitely enjoyed the video. I don't know. That's weird. But appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.